All in all, for today's video, I will spend over $7,000. I mean, if you just think about it, your like and your subscription today cost me this much money. You know, in my opinion, it looks like an argument, doesn't it? And today, everyone should do it. After all, this is a legendary video, the story of which began more than 4 years ago. All right, guys, let's start unloading. Now, we have quite a challenging task ahead of us today. We are unloading 10 tons of Coca-Cola. Whew. Let's go, guys. This will be the world's largest fountain of Coca-Cola. Whew, 100%. Whew. Oh. So, we've unloaded this whole truck just like that. Here it is, $4,600. That's what this whole thing cost. Thanks for the Coca-Cola.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Yeah, good. Now we drink. And here's the receipt, by the way, so that no one thinks we're sponsored by Coca-Cola. Nope, I'm just an idiot to spend such money on such useless experiments. Multiple times. All right. Coca-Cola is here. Mentos. Guys, who came up with the idea of putting Mentos in here? Ah, this is useless, you know? It's much more expensive and it reacts worse. Baking soda. All right. Where's the vinegar? Ah, where's the barrel?
Over there.
Seriously? Are you suggesting that we take this barrel? This is completely unreliable. All right, listen, in my opinion, this is what we need. You know, even though it's dirty and it doesn't look great, it's definitely better than plastic. At the least, it's more reliable and practical. So what do you say? Shall we take it?
Yeah. Let's take it.
as you may have already guessed, the barrel was not in the best condition. So the next couple of days were spent getting it into good shape. It needed to be cleaned of all the garbage. The horribly curved walls needed to be straightened up. We needed to patch up all unnecessary holes. And in the end, we needed to polish it so that it wouldn't rust. In total, the restoration process took us about 2 days. Honestly, it was a long process. All right, here we go, guys. This barrel looks absolutely amazing in my opinion. I mean, I don't know, it's so beautiful. You know, I would even consider living in such a barrel. Despite the fact that the barrel was already fully prepared, both on the outside and the inside, the work didn't stop. After all, the barrel is just part of the preparation. Besides that barrel, there are many other aspects. The method of pouring the Coca-Cola has been modified once again. Now we're going to wrap this tape around the barrel and create a handle here, like this for our hands. We also need to create a structure to attach these barrels to when we lower them down inside. I think you'll understand how this whole structure will work later on, although I believe it's quite obvious already. In total, the preparation actually took a few more days. There were many other details that we needed to prepare because without them, the experiment could go very wrong. And I think that you're not particularly interested in watching all of this preparation, so I suggest that we jump right into the day of the experiment. No one slept that night because everything we prepared needed to be transported to the field. If we correctly estimated our strengths and hurried, we could start pouring the Coke at around 3 o'clock in the morning. And then by daylight, we'd have the fountain running. Since we had to transport a lot of props, it was clear in advance that we would need at least 5 trucks. As soon as the trucks arrived at the field, we immediately began unloading everything without wasting any time. But no matter how much we rushed, everything only finished by daylight. It's now 5 in the morning, and we've only just started pouring. I thought everything would go much faster, but as always, things don't go as planned. It only makes it scarier. We still have left 10 tons. By the way, guys, today we have a very large volume and we came up with a genius thing. Look. First, people fill the barrel completely, right to the brim, and then they close it like this. It closes like this. Just like this here. And after that, all of these closed barrels are placed right over here. None of the gas can escape the entire time, just like it's in a bottle. This saves us so much time. Afterward, all of these barrels will simply be lifted and lowered into the main barrel and emptied. I hope this works. I really hope so. All right, guys, now it is time to load all of these barrels into the main barrel. And now here come the self-loading trucks. Like this. All right, guys, we're this close to being finished. At long last. I'll show you. Here it is, guys.
Crazy hustle. I feel terrible, but I really don't know why I keep doing something. Like right now, like it's crazy. Like my eyes, my mouth, everything, any openings, like all getting corroded by vinegar to death, you guys.
Why are you so sure everything will work out for us?
Because so much effort has been put into this. The entire team is working cohesively. Everyone's helping out each other, and they all contribute to the common goal. I'm sure it's gonna work out. Otherwise, it can't be.
After pouring all of the cola, the next, I believe, most crucial stage was setting up the soda container. If something went wrong here, the experiment could either start prematurely or not work at all. Essentially, the entire setup, including the soda filling, was going well, but only until we started lifting this structure. At that moment, the cable holding the pallet couldn't take the strain, and they began to stretch, causing the pallet to fit loosely in the overall structure. During the lift, a gap formed and soda started pouring out. At that moment, we realized that most likely it was all over. There would be no experiment today, and probably not this year either. Because even if we started trying to fix something now, it would take a lot of time before we could correct it all. And so, during this time, the Coke would evaporate, and the experiment would simply not work. But we decided not to give up. So, within half an hour, we managed to find a new cable. You can't imagine how nervous we were when we started lifting the structure once again. But it worked, and in spite of this, we still didn't celebrate because we realized that the Coke had been standing for quite some time, and we no longer had the confidence that the experiment was going to succeed. All right, guys, the moment has come when we'll be cutting all the straps. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready. This is really scary. Alex will be cutting the straps because he can jump off quickly. And I'll just be here supporting him. Whew. Alex, are you scared?
Me? Yeah.
Alex, I'm counting on you a lot.
I've never been so afraid in my life.
All right, Alex, I'll support you. I hope you'll jump.
Yeah, I'll jump.
We'll both die if the barrel explodes.
No, don't say that. The main thing is to run like lightning, man.
Alex, come on. This is really scary. Alex, please. Alex, come on. 1. Ready?
Yeah.
2.
Wait.
Alex,
Ready?
the scariest thing is that something else might happen. 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What? Whoa.
Alex,
Come on, the drone.
let's try it again.
Come on, do it again. Let's drone.
Come on, again, faster.
Hey, look. This is
When you see
right
it
here.
split, okay,
Right
then
like
we're
that.
gonna run.
Real harsh. Just cut it. There you go.
Alex,
Come on.
Cut it! I'm waiting for you. We're flying. I'm watching as it opens and I run away.
1.
2. 2, Alex.
Let's recount. Let's recount.
1. 2. 3.
This is so scary. It's so cool.
Do you think it's rain? No, it's tears.
Congratulations. With the experiment.
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo!
Oh my God!
This was a historic video. 4 years.
Yeah, it's an interesting video.
So much work done, money spent, time, so many sleepless nights.